little noodle shop. Them number 4 ones, they're always worthwhile. There we go. Another quick little review. Smashing it behind the camera. There we go. £30. Can't argue.